Yun, timer ko lang, timer lang.
Score? Ayun na pa rin yan. Hindi pa rin yan. 5 minutes change. Yung pa rin. Kaya pa rin ang half time, 5 minutes pa rin. Lulu, 83, no good, rebound by Jason. Watch out, may nakatulog. May nakatulog na. Dalawa. No good. Rebound by Makaini Ganda to Jason. 2 more. 6-0. Basket by Jason Ganda. 6-0 to 2 more by Esfera. Score 6-2. Eight minutes exactly. Take 3. Well, Bora. 6-5. Yes. Making his move to Jason, to Chucky, intercepted by Bora, number 8. Take to Modu, they go by Chucky to Jason. Jason, pass to Makaili sa ilalim, 2 more, Sean Makaili. 8-5. Thank you, the Flores. Rebound by Renden, Benjai to Jason, to Makaili. Taking 2, no good, rebound by Jackie. 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 8-5 in favor of Team B. 8-5. Sa team score ko, lapit ko yung mga hindi ko pa nabigyan lang. Estrella, no good. Rebound again. Dribbling. Numerito wala. Rebound by Estrella. Oras, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Take a breathe. Bola, number 8. Delta, on 8. Flores. No good. Rebound by Dunn. Exactly 6 minutes. Charlie. Turere. Intercepted by Bora. Bora to Flores. To Mark, take 3. No good. Rebound by Dandan. Yan to Jason. Jason lumipad. 2 boys. Jason Bendiay. Cage Fable. 10-8. Take 3. No good. Rebound by Flores. Well, Flores, take 3. No good. Rebound by Bien. Last possession before change. Jackie sa ilalim. Pass to Renden. Pass to Jason. No good. Rebound again. No good again. Rebound by Esfera. Last possession na po yan. Change na po. Last possession before change. Bora. Flores. to Morales. Roel, take it three. No good. Rebound again. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Get the back. Pass to John. Pass to Jackie. To Ben. Change score. Change score ito po. Change score. Walang base. Change score. 2 points by Ben. Tamo. Score. 12-8. 12-8. In favor of Team B. Bola 83. No good. Rebound by Ben. Yes, to Jason. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Jackie, no good. Rebound by Torres. Take it green. No good. Rebound by Ben. To Jason. 4 minutes exactly. Yan, 2 points. Yan, Makaili. 14-8. Bola. Joel. To another bola, number 8. Intercepted by number Isela. 2 points. Isela, number 8. 12-10. To Jason. Jason, intercepted by Bora. Out of bounds. Bola lang, TV, oras. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Jackie, 2 points. Jackie Kama. 16-10. Anim na kalamangan ng Team B. Intercepted by Jackie. Tukuya rin. Si Jackie, all alone. No good. Rebound by Jason. Jason? Diyan, take it free. No good. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Team pa rin. Oras. Exactly 3 minutes. Score, 16-10. Anim ang kalamangan. Jason? Touch pasada, pero turnover. Bola lang. Image. Score, 16-10. Oras, 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Bola. Intercepted by Jason. Nauna na. Apat sila. Jason, luminan. Good. Rebound by Jackie. 2 points. Easy bucket by Jackie. 18-10. Bola wala. Rebound by Torres. 2 points. Torres, number 4. 18-12. Ano pa rin? Again. Short jumper. 2 points. Again, Paro. 20-12. 2 points. Flores, number 4. 20-14. Last 2 minutes. Intercepted by Marks. Intercepted, pero karumi pa rin. Well. Take 3. No good. Rebound by Torres. Wala. Rebound by Bien. 1 minute and 48 seconds. Jason, wala. Rebound by Serra. Ay, Serra, 2 points. 20-16. Apat na lang po. 20-16. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Yes? Ruler, 2 points. Again, Paro. 22. 16. To Isera. To March, take it 3. 3. Mark Sanchez. 19-22. 22-19. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Red. To Bien. Short down for again. No good. Rebound by Dan. Charlie Avery. So good. Rebound by Jesse Lager. 2 points. Again, foul. Esera. Foul. Foul by Jesse Lager. 6. Score. 19-24 in favor of Team B. Exactly 1 minute. Borja. Toruel. 48 seconds. Alright, take 3. No good. Rebound by. Then. The Jason. Foul. Foul by jersey number 9. 38 seconds remaining. 38 seconds. Score 24-19. Getting free. Get foul. No good. Foul. 27-19. 27-19 score. Kayo. Team B leading. Oras, last 27 seconds. Sera, 2 more. Then, 5. That is number 8. Bola. Ashin sa kabila, no? Shoot. 2 points. Last 20 seconds. 27-20. Ito ang kalamangan. 27-20. Last 15 seconds. 2 points. Jason Gulbiay. Out of bounds. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Pag-rebound, start the clock. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. Take it green. No good. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And on the ball game. Score 27-20 in favor of Team B. Then, lapit na kayo. Tapos, yun pa kanina. Sinong pwede dyan? Dalawa lang. Sino yung dalawa? Dalawa dyan. Sino yung dalawa lang? May ano ba dyan? Meron pang kulang dyan? May kulang tatlo? May kulang ba dyan?
Kami.